guys, tonight we are going to be planning in my Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner. Sorry guys, I did get this kit from NMH Creations. I have never used this shop before, but they were having a sale for Mother's Day. And guys, the shipping on this was super fast. That's why I got the July kit, because I figured it would take a few weeks to get here, but it's already here. So I figured we'd go ahead and I'll just film it and we'll plan together. Again, I've never used this shop before, but I'm already highly impressed. I got this kit. It has the day strips, I guess another strip, and a full box here, Independence Day, International Day of Friendship, which I have no clue what that day is, but I can look it up. And then it has the International Day of Ice Cream, and then the Beach Day. Unfortunately, I do not think we're going to be traveling yet in July. I know we've rescheduled our vacation to October, so hopefully the situation's better. It does have some payday shells, some flags, some day off stickers. This next page has some bill due stickers, and this is my budget planner, so that's why I really got this kit, because it had enough bill due stickers that I think that I can fit the majority of our bills on there, and then use these other ones if I need to add more boxes. You have your date dots, and then it has some icons like the trash day, recycling, different icons like that. And then I loved how it had the notes up here, and I'll show you guys how I will be using that, because in your deluxe monthly you do get a lot of note pages, which is why it's an awesome budget planner. And then here is the next page, and it's got the strip with the rest of the week on it, and then it's got some full boxes for the days. Now I will not be using these in the monthly, but I will be using these in the note pages, and I'll show you that. Again, it has a lot of boxes, so that's why I thought it would be great for my budget spread for the month, so that if I have a bill I need to write in there, I can. So here is my planner. Like I said, it is a deluxe monthly Erin Condren planner, and I will put a link below with it. I've loved it. I've only been using it for a couple of months, but I like the feel of the paper, and it's been working great for our budget. So let's see, we'll flip it open to July. Now, I haven't found a good setup for these pages. I do kind of like how I used it in April, and I'll show you. I'll flip back to that. I did like our paid off, what we paid off, and like some monthly notes, so I may do that again. I would definitely be covering up the birthdays, because again, this are for my budget planner. So here is July. So I'm just going to start laying down some stickers, and we'll go from there. I always like to do the days first, and then we'll figure it out from there. And guys, I apologize. I move my planner around a lot. Oh, so if that bugs you, I'm sorry. I just have a habit of moving my planner while I plan. It lets me get a better... Oh, that was really easy to pull up. That's nice. I like how it's easy to pull up, so if you have an issue, because I always have an issue with putting stickers on straight. And I will have a video coming out, and I did get my Erin Condren order in for the new release, and I got the Daily Duo, so you guys will get to see that. And I haven't got to plan in it yet because it doesn't start until July, but so far I'm hoping that it helps me. Now this is the budget planner here. It's my first actual Erin Condren planner, and I'm usually a happy planner, and I still love my happy planner, but I'm trying to get more organized. Sorry guys, this sticker is giving me fits. Well, I'm trying to get more organized, so that's why I'm deciding to switch to the Daily Duo, because I think if it has spots for your hours and a to-do list, that hopefully I can get better managed with my time. Guys, sorry. There. that's just how it is. I know it's a little crooked. If you don't like that, I'm sorry, but that's just how it is. So look at that, guys. That's so pretty. I love the artwork on this kit. So I'm looking at this. I'm trying to figure out what goes next. I think this is supposed to cover up these, and then that goes down there. Yep, I'm pretty sure that's what that's for. I'm pretty sure if I'm planing in this, like I said, this is only my couple times of planing in this planer. I'll get better with figuring out where the stickers are supposed to go. Let's see. So guys, how are you doing with the quarantine? I know here in Indiana, things are starting to open back up, which I got mixed emotions about it. If you guys don't know, I did get the coronavirus. I was sick there for a little bit. It was pretty, I wouldn't say that it was really bad because I didn't have it as bad as most people do, but it was rough. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. So we got that. Anyway, so I did get it. It took me about 3 weeks to fully recover. And goodness, guys. So Indiana is starting to open back up, but like I said, I have mixed emotions. I'm worried for the people that haven't got it just because I know how rough it was on me. So I don't want nobody to ever feel like that. Look how easy that is to pull up. Now, you do have to take your time, obviously, but it was super easy. And this may not even be the box for that, but it's my planer and I'm using it there. But anyways, so I don't want people to get it, but I understand that we need to open back up and people have to go back to work and stuff. So I can see why we have to, but I just don't want nobody else to get sick. But I hope you guys are staying safe. Now, my boys are bored out of their minds. 3 of them are out of school. 2 of them go until the 20th of May. And then they'll be out of school. I thought that went there. But now I'm not sure because... this strip is really tiny. So maybe it was supposed to go up at the top? Let's see. No, because that strip's about the same size too. Let's just put it down there and see what happens. Actually, no, I'm not. Okay, I gotta figure something out. What have I done? What we're gonna do, I'm gonna white out this strip and then I'll be right back. Like I said, it's not perfect, but I think it gets rid of most of the color. So we're gonna lay this down right. I want to line it up right underneath that box. The tip there, okay, perfect. And I'm not sure why that didn't take up the whole space, but it was easily fixed. So, like I said, my boys are out of school. Well, 3 of them. 2 of them are almost out of school. So after that, I'm not sure. I'm hoping that some of the state parks open up. I know I just said that I'm uneasy about it. But I feel like at a state park, you can go hiking and you can just be away from other people if you want to be. And my boys love doing the outdoors thing. Of course, they're boys. And so I'm really looking forward to those opening back up so that we can go hiking and different things. And hopefully some camping. So these, of course, say payday. I was going to say they say bail due, but no, payday. So let's see. My husband gets paid on the 15th, but we actually get it on the 14th because our bank gets it to us a day early. Oh gosh, that was really quick. It's to us the day before, which is awesome. So the 14th. It just gets a little tricky if your payday's on a weekend, because then we could either get it like 2 days early or on the day it's due. It's just like really tricky. So since that's the last day, we get paid on this day. Let's see. Now, if you guys didn't know, I'm actually in school and I'm getting my human resource degree. So I will have class, and I've been still having class. It's all online, of course. So I'm really looking forward to this summer because this is my last summer in school. So, and I will be going through the summer in school. I don't take breaks just because I want to hurry up and get finished. Like, I didn't take a spring break. But, yeah, guys, I'm going to put the date dots on and I'll be right back. Guys, I am back. I did put the date dots on, and if you guys have tweezers, please use them. I cannot find mine, so it did take me a little bit longer, and I struggle with getting them on, but I just love how this looks. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to write out my bill due, and for this I'm going to flip back to June and just make sure I get everybody or all my bills on the correct day, because I tend to forget. So if you look here, this is a kit I did on my own, just simple. So I'm gonna start from here, and then I'll be right back when I get all these written in, and you can watch me put them on the calendar. Alright guys, we are back. Now I'm just gonna go, I like to line them up on the bottom, but I kind of like to do it like importance is on top, if that makes sense. Well, that was way crooked. So, now guys, this is our first time ever having a credit card. I don't suggest you guys getting a credit card. The only reason we have a credit card is because we are going to buy a new house next year, and our realtor suggested we get one that's like a prepaid, and we only spend like $25 on it so that we can show that we can pay a payment, since that was our only payment besides our mortgage right now. So we did it. It is bringing our scores up. I like that we did like the prepaid one, so I know that no matter what happens, we can never go over that amount in case we do start to misuse it, so to speak. Sorry guys, I keep flipping back and forth, but I just really want to make sure I have the dates written down correctly. It's water and trash on the 15th. So anyways, so we got a prepaid credit card. We use it, we pay it off, that sort of thing. So you guys will start to see a credit card thing on there. And even though it is like a prepaid one, you still have to pay the monthly payment that what you spent, and you will get charged a late fee, I think. It's still really new and confusing to me, so we're still navigating it. But I will let you guys know if it does bring up our credit score. I guess we should have like talked to more people, but we agree like our credit needs some work. So we were okay with doing that to see. Now if we do it for a few months and we see that it's not really working, and then we'll reevaluate and probably get rid of it if we need to. Now if it was like a standard credit card, you didn't pay nothing down, it's not a prepaid type of thing, then I would not have done it. So let me know if you guys understand what I'm talking about. I bought this house and it's been almost 11 years, so it's been a while, and I was 19 when I bought this house. Sorry guys, my camera cut out on me. So I just laid all the bill trackers down, and stay tuned because I do set up the note pages, and that's what we'll be doing in our next video. I can show you how May turned out, or let's do April since I flipped to there. But I basically do like paycheck breakdowns, and then we do it all together. So stay tuned, and I will show you guys that using the rest of this kit. Bye guys.